Now,
This conference will now be recorded.
so for this, we need to basically get into FD32, and there's a new customer what we have created, and make sure you activate all this particular views. Now, get into details and try to go for activation of it. So here I'm just trying to maintain a credit limit of 5 lakhs and individual limit also as 5 lakhs, and what is going to be the currency of transaction. So I'm trying to maintain that information over here. So maintain it. Now in under status tab also try to maintain the credit limit and try to assign a risk category. So right now I'm going to be making it as where I'm trying to classify the customer as an high risk customer. So maintain that risk category information, click on enter. Okay. Now see, I'm just trying to maintain the credit limit for this particular customer over here. So there's my customer, what we have created. Now here, I'm trying to maintain a credit limit of 5 lakhs. He can purchase stock up to a value of 5 lakhs from the company. Now, in under this status tab, also try to maintain the credit limit along with that risk category. And I'm trying to classify this particular customer as an high risk customer. I'm trying to classify this customer as an high risk customer. So maintain this information, click on enter. And right now, we have not done any kind of transaction with this customer, so no payments can be received. Okay, no payments can be received. In case if customer does any kind of payment, that information is going to be getting displayed up over here. And try to save it. Done. So credit limit has been fixed up for this particular customer over here. Or once again, if you try to click on enter, now you can see what is the limit we maintain, 5 lakhs. The customer can take the goods from the company up to a value of 5 lakhs. Okay. So customer can take the goods from the company up to a value of 5 lakhs. Now, once you're done with this, now what is the next thing? Now we maintain all the configurations settings which are required. Okay, we maintain all these particular things, and now we need to basically work with the testing process. We need to work out with the testing and check in case if credit limit of the customer has been exceeded, how system is going to be reacting. Because yesterday we maintained this particular determination as well, which is nothing but combination of credit control area plus credit group plus risk category. So I'm just trying to open that one. So if you get into OVA8 transaction code, OVA8, so here, select our credit control area and get into details. Here you can maintain it. I've activated static credit check and I want system to perform an error message. And I'm trying to tell the system to take into consideration open order document values and open delivery document values as well. I'm trying to maintain this particular settings. Now try to run the cycle and check out the functionality. So VS01, I'm trying to work out with our document type YAOR. Let me see against this particular document type we have maintained the proper settings or not. YAOR. Yeah, that's fine. These two fields need to be maintained. One, automatic credit check and credit group. Now try to create an order VS01. So maintain our sold party. Click on enter. Now enter the material. Now this customer is trying to place an order for a product. So there's a product what I'm trying to work it out. HDTV. Okay, and let's say its customer is trying to place an order for 3 units. Now if you get into item level, on the item data, get into conditions tab, and now you can see the price information has been maintained for this particular thing. Like what is the net value coming up? 1,38,000 rupees over here. So you need to check whatever the net value is there after offering discounts. So check this one, get into schedule lines, check out the delivery date and the confirmed quantity, and try to save this particular order. Okay. Now for this order, delivery is in the future. You can see delivery date is getting confirmed on 28th. You can't do delivery today. So we try to call this one as open order. We try to call this one as an open order. Now for this order, I'm trying to work out with the delivery as well. VL01N. So maintain our shipping point. So delivery is in the future, maintain that delivery future date and do the picking. So if you get into picking tab, so try to pick the stock and do the PGI over here. Okay, let me try to resolve that one as well. So if you get into OBYC, So select transaction, which is going to be GB, chart of accounts, INT. Now here for which combination? For the combination of SAP1 EAX7920. Okay. So always try to take reference as 0001 VAX7920, whatever the GL account maintain, copy this one and maintain it. So this is going to be SAP1 VAX7920. Try to maintain the GL accounts. So maintain it and save it. Do our PGI over here. So try to work with the PGI. Done. Now work out with the billing. So execute VF01 transaction code, and it's a concept of delivery related billing. And over here, try to make sure you maintain all this information. Account assignment group of customer need to be maintained. And if you just come back, double click on this line item and make sure account assignment group of material also need to be updated up. So maintain it under conditions tab, make sure all values are there or not, and try to save it. Because once we try to click on save, accounts document need to be generated. So get into change mode and try to release it manually first thing. Lot of errors are there. 8 lakhs requires assignment to a CO object. Okay, let me check it out. Now let me try to get into FD32. Now we have just run our forward cycle. Now get into FD32 and check how much credit limit has been utilized. Now you can see 58% has been utilized over here. 58%. We maintain a credit limit of 5 lakhs. Out of that 5 lakhs, 2 lakhs 90,000 limit has been utilized over here. Okay. Now see. So once again, I'm trying to run an order. VA01. Now this time I'm trying to take more quantity. Instead of 3 units, I'm trying to take 5 units. And straight away, we got this particular message over here. Credit exceeded and there's a difference amount. The amount has been exceeded by this particular value. You can see system is trying to show us that information. And if you want to know why it is showing us, so click on continue. If you get into item data, get into conditions tab. Now you can see the value over here. What is the value coming around? 4,83,000. Shit. This cumulative condition need to be removed. That's the reason it's taking 2 times. The value is just 2,30,000, but it's taking 2 times. 1 second. In pricing procedure, we need to remove that particular condition type. We start 08. Okay. Let me create a new customer and maintain it now. Now this is our customer. Now for this customer, try to maintain the credit limit. So FD32 is my new customer. And this time I'm trying to maintain a credit limit of 4 lakhs, let's say. 4 lakhs currency. Try to maintain that amount, and along with that, maintain the risk category and save it. Now for this customer, a credit limit of 4 lakhs rupees has been maintained up over here. Now try to run the cycle. So create an order. So that's my new customer. It's placing an order for 3 quantity. Now check out the value. If you get into item data, conditions tab, now the value is coming around 1,38,000 rupees over here. Okay. Now save this order, work out with the delivery as well. So get into VL01 and try to perform a delivery. Do our picking and do the PGI. Now work with the billing process over here. So if you execute VF01 transaction code, it's a concept of delivery related billing. Okay, and try to save this one. Done. Now, if you check out the credit limit used, so get into FD32 once again, get into details. Now you can see out of this 4 lakhs, how much credit limit has been used? 1,51,000 amount has been used over here, including total. Okay, now 38% has been used. Now, again, if customer is trying to place an order, we are going to be accepting it. Until that 4 lakhs has been utilized, we can go for recording the transaction. Let's say I'm trying to take 6 quantity this time. And you can see we got this particular error message over here. We got this particular error message. Static credit check. Credit limit has been exceeded by so much amount over here. Credit limit has been exceeded by so much amount over here. And there's nothing but an error message. If you try to click on continue, and once again, if you're trying to save it, system will not give the access for that. Because we maintain the reaction over here in our credit control area determination. So if you get into OVA8 transaction code, OVA8, so here against our credit control area determination, if we get into details, we maintain the setting as D. I need to get an error message if credit limit has been exceeded, plus the value. By how much value? It has been exceeded. I want system to display that thing over here. So based on that, system is trying to show us. And we've also activated system to take into consideration open order values and open delivery document values as well. Okay, we are maintaining that setting, how system need to react. We are maintaining that setting, how system need to react for all these things. So this is what you need to know when we talk about static credit check. What all documents are going to be taken into consideration over here. I want system to take into consideration open order values, open delivery document values, open billing document values, open item values, minus how much credit limit we have maintained. Okay, so this is the concept of static credit check. And right now, the determination what we maintained was with reference to high risk customer. High risk customer. Okay, and high risk customers need to be blocked at what level? At order level. We maintain that particular setting as well. We maintain this particular thing. High risk customers need to be blocked at order level, and a medium risk customer need to be blocked at delivery level. That means we are going to be accepting the orders from a medium risk customer, but we are not going to be able to create a delivery document. Now let me show you that one. So here, first thing what we do, once again, we need to create a new customer. You can't use an existing one, because for that existing customer, we have maintained a setting that is acting as an high risk customer. Now I'm trying to create one medium risk customer over here. So reconciliation account. If you get into shipping tab, get into billing document. So maintain incurred terms, credit control area, output taxes, partner functions, these things are there. Now save it. Now for this customer, I'm trying to maintain the credit limit. Now getting to FD32. FD32, there's my new customer. I'm trying to maintain a credit limit of 2 lakhs rupees, let's say. So individual limit also try to maintain it as a 2 lakhs, currency as INR. Now if you click on enter, so individual limit or credit limit, maintain it as 2 lakhs. Risk category, this is the place where I'm going to be changing it. So medium risk customer. Maintain this one and try to save it as well. Done. Now make sure you maintain credit control area determination as well. Now the determination what we maintain is with reference to high risk. Now try to take the help of new interest and try to maintain credit control area determination for medium risk customer. Okay, for medium risk customer, and medium risk customer need to be blocked at what level? At delivery level. So maintain that credit group information as well. And I'm trying to maintain the description with reference to medium risk. And I'm trying to work with static credit check. I need to get an error message. I want system need to consider all these document values as well. Open orders and open delivery document values. So maintain it and save it. Now check out. Now try to create an order VS01. In case if credit limit has been exceeded also, we are going to be accepting the orders from that particular customer. But delivery document creation is going to be restricted. Now this is our customer B. So product, I'm trying to take around 3 quantity. Now if you get into item data, conditions tab, now try to check out the total. The total 1,51,000. Fine. So get into schedule lines, everything is there. Save this order. Okay. Now I'm trying to work out with the delivery as well. Do the picking and do the PGI concept as well. Now work out with the billing. So VF01. Done. Billing has been done. Now, if you once again check out the credit limit, FD32 for this new customer, this much is the value which has been utilized, 76%. Now try to record a new transaction, VA01, same customer. I'm trying to take another 3 quantity. Check out the amount. The amount is coming around 1,51,000. Already credit limit has been exceeded. Now if you save this order, order has been created up. Now try to create a delivery document for this order. We're accepting the orders from the customer. Now if you are trying to create a delivery document should be not getting created up. Super, it's not getting updated. Your delivery document should be not getting created up over here. It has been exceeded, you can see. The delivery document should be not getting created, but it is getting created. That's fine, because it's not getting updated. If you know how to work with order level, that is going to be okay. In case if you don't want to work with the delivery level. Most of the times we try to block at order level itself. Okay. So there's the concept of your static credit check over here. How to work with this. What all things will be taken into consideration. Now, the next concept would be dynamic credit check. Now, there's going to be the second type of credit check. And when you're trying to work out with dynamic credit check, all these things are going to be taken into consideration. Open orders plus open delivery documents plus open billing documents plus open items plus a field by the name horizon period. A new field is getting activated minus credit limit of the customer. So when we work with dynamic credit check, we are telling the system to take all these things into consideration. Open order values, open delivery document values, open billing document values, open item values, minus limit of the customer. Minus credit limit of the customer. Okay. Now this particular thing, I'm going to be taking it up in tomorrow's class. I don't want to mix up everything. We need to understand how this horizon period is going to be working. So we try to maintain it and finish off this automatic credit check as well. Okay. Now we have this particular field in credit control area determination, we maintain it. So if you get into OVA8 transaction code, OVA8 transaction code, if you select this one, now we are working with dynamic credit check. Now how this dynamic is going to be working. We need to know the functionality of this horizon period, how it works out. So in tomorrow class, we try to discuss this one. Okay. Thank you guys.